Introduction to File History.
Windows File History is a built-in backup feature designed to help you recover lost, deleted, or overwritten documents. By automatically saving copies of your files over time, File History makes it easy to restore earlier versions if something goes wrong. Let's walk through how to find and recover your important files using this helpful tool.
Enabling File History.
Before you can recover files, File History must be enabled. Go to Settings, select Update and Security, then Backup. Add a drive by connecting an external storage device and turn on Automatic Backups. This setup ensures your documents, photos, and other files are regularly saved and ready for restoration if needed.
Accessing File History.
To access File History, open the Control panel and choose File History under System and Security. From here, select Restore Personal Files. This view shows you a timeline, letting you browse through different backup versions of your folders and documents, making it simple to find what you've lost.
Restoring lost documents.
Browse to the folder where your missing file was stored. Use the arrows at the bottom to move through past versions. When you find the file or version you want, select it and click the green Restore button. The document will be recovered to its original location, ready for you to use again.
Tips for effective use.
For the best protection, keep your backup drive connected regularly so File History can update. Check backup settings to ensure important folders are included. Remember, File History only backs up files in your libraries, desktop, contacts, and favorites by default. Add more folders as needed to keep all critical data safe.